a common and serious illness affecting millions worldwide. Its prevalence highlights the need for awareness, prevention, and prompt intervention to support recovery and minimizing debilitating consequences.
I was once an active and independent individual until on 30th March 2023, stroke struck me. I lost the left side of my body and I slurred in my speech. My energy level was down by 50% plus my brain power. I was forced to leave my job because I couldn't perform. Thankfully, I learned about Meridian Therapy in 2016, and with the help of my husband using the TCM essential oils, it helps with my recovery, including physiotherapy at the hospital. It also includes taking Celagen cell therapy and the NGF. It helps with the nutrients, it helps my speedy recovery. After 3 months, I have regained almost full functionality of my movements and my brain power, and my energy is improving. Thank you, Avita, for providing these wonderful products that speeds up my stroke recovery.
Early intervention is vital for stroke treatment. As a TCM physician, I always advocate timely care within the first 6 months for the body recovery. TCM therapies such as acupuncture and guasa with herbal medicine can help in qi and blood circulation, body restore, and support the body natural healing process. Act swiftly for better outcome. Let me and Nancy share with you simple and effective Meridian 101 guasa and acupressure technique so that anyone can learn to help in recovery of stroke patients. Step 1. Head guasa. We start with head guasa. First of all, we will be using the herbal oils. Forsythia, Pineapple Magnolia, Mescaline, Angelica, and Vital Meridian. So we mix all this oil and apply on the patient's head. After applying, we start doing head guasa for her. This is our guasa board. First of all, we section out the head into 5 sections. First section will be the middle part. Second section will be the side, both sides. Then fourth and fifth section will be on top of the ear. Let's start. Do gentle gua on the head and continuously. Head is the controller of all our bodies and limbs, and also plus our speech. Usually we gua 20 to 25 times. And the side. Okay, side is very important. Why? Because of our gallbladder meridian. 肝主筋, gallbladder and liver's meridian work together. That's why it's very effective when you gua head. Next, we will be doing for body. Okay, in TCM, Yang Ming Jing is very important. Yang Ming Jing in charge of blood and qi. So they say it's 多血多气. So there's 2 Yang Ming Jing. One is on the hand, which is large intestine, Yang Ming Jing. Okay, and another one will be on the leg, which is our Wei Jing. So for people who are at age of 75 and above, we should not do guasa because their skin texture easily get injured after the gua because of the stimulation on the skin. So what we do is we will apply oil on their hand as well as leg. Next, we'll come to the third one will be on facial. We do a facial because stroke patient usually will be half face slanted. What we do is we will mix the oil, the same as just now what I have recommended. Apply on the face, the infected face, then we do the gua sha. Face is one of the reflexology of all our 五脏六腑, which is all our organ. The fourth one will be we will apply some oils on kidney and some of the acute point such as 足三里, which is our 保健穴. It's also referring to longevity acute point. And 合谷is 阳明. 合谷 is because this point is also produce a lot of blood and qi, and plus our 三阴交 on the leg. So we apply this oil, Vital Meridian, Masculine, and Angelica on our lower back and those points that I mentioned. Hope that all these tips will help you to recover soon. Thank you.
I'm lucky to survive the stroke and share the story with all of you. Please do not overdrive your body. Listen to your body alarm. If you have migraine, headache, or giddiness, please stop and rest. Otherwise, you'll end up like me. Please take care and do remember the very important Avita product that will help you regain your mobility and recovery. Thank you, Saligen. Thank you, NGF and the Meridian Essential Oils. Thank you, Avita.
The combination of Meridian 101 Quasar Therapy, NGF, and the Saligen Swiss Marine Cell Therapy offers a promising approach to support stroke recovery. By harnessing the power of holistic healing and cellular regeneration, stroke patients can potentially experience enhanced rehabilitation and improve quality of life. For more information, please contact the person who shared this video with you.